How to remove your Gmail account from another device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove your Gmail account from another device, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to remove your Gmail account from another device, just go to your gmail.com website and log into your Gmail account. And after you have done that, just click the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you click the profile icon from the top right, go to this option known as manage your Google account and then just make sure to click on it. Once you click on manage your Google account, you want to simply go to the option called security on the left hand side of the screen. Once you come to security, just scroll down over here. Once you scroll down here, you can see your devices. Click on manage all devices here. And what you want to do is just go ahead and select the devices where your account is basically logged in. So just select the device here, click the sign out button and then click on sign out. Similarly, repeat the process for any of the other devices you want to remove. Just go ahead and then click on the sign out option over here. Just select that device, click on sign out and then just click on the sign out button again. This way you can actually remove your Gmail account from other devices. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.